Starting your coding journey, let's build a beginner-friendly setup that boosts your focus and productivity. You don't need a high-end PC to start coding. A decent laptop with at least 8 GB RAM and SSD is enough for most beginner tasks. Use a lightweight, free code editor like Visual Studio Code. It supports all popular languages and has tons of useful extensions. Add an external monitor if possible. More screen space means smoother multitasking, especially for debugging and documentation. A comfortable keyboard and mouse make long coding sessions easier. Even budget peripherals can be a big upgrade over your laptop's built-in options. Raise your screen with a stand improves posture and focus. Bonus, use an external webcam for online classes or meetings. Good lighting matters. Warm LED strips or a desk lamp reduce eye strain and create a cozy coding vibe. Need focus? Use lo-fi or instrumental coding playlists. They boost concentration without distractions. Use beginner-friendly websites like FreeCodeCamp, W3 Schools, or the Odin Project to practice daily. Set realistic goals. Start with small projects. They'll teach you way more than just reading tutorials. Use a simple to-do list and Pomodoro timer. It keeps your sessions structured and prevents burnout. A clean, focused workspace makes a huge difference. The better your setup, the better your learning experience. Coding isn't just about machines, it's about building things that work. Ready to build your own coding setup? Subscribe to Rapid Tech Bytes for more smart tech guides built for beginners, made for growth.